In the last video, we saw how Flickr lets you get a list of the 20 most recent photos posted to the site. Flickr provides a URL that points to its public photo feed. Normally, Flickr sends back data in XML format. But when you add a query string, $format equals JSON, we get that data back in JSON format. Remember that web browsers send GET requests to servers, and servers send back responses. We can also make GET requests using AJAX, and using jQuery's $.getJSON method, we'll be able to build our Flickr photo page. Here's the mock-up your designer gave you. It looks like you can click a button and retrieve photos that match the word on the button. Let's look at the steps that are involved in making this happen. See, the user clicks a button, then the JavaScript program will get the word on that button, cat, dog, moose, make a GET request to Flickr sending the word along, receive the JSON response, and then go through each item in the returned data and add a link and an image tag to the page. The designer gave you starter HTML and CSS files. Let's look at the HTML. There are a couple of important parts here. First, there are these button elements. This is what the user will click to load photos. Next, notice this div down here. This is where the designer expects the photos to go. He's added a few sample images so you can see how this is structured. So there's the div tag. We'll insert an unordered or bulleted list of photos inside it. Each photo is in its own li tag. It's got some weird classes that the designer added. You need to make sure the HTML you produce has those too. Inside the list item is a link. It points to Flickr. It looks like it opens the page on Flickr that displays that particular photo. That also has a class on it. Finally, there's an image or IMG tag. It also points to Flickr. This must be the thumbnail that users will see on our page. Okay, so that's what our designer wants. Let's see if this is possible. Let's look at our Flickr feed and make sure that we have all the information that the designer's after. I'm going to check out the public JSON feed from Flickr and see. Okay, here's the items property. It holds information on all the photos. And here's one object. It's the data for one photo. Yes, here's a URL. And here's a link to an image that we can display on our page. Looks good. In the next video, we'll get started adding jQuery.